My name is David Fletcher. I've been making these tables for about 15 years now.
It is an expensive piece of furniture, something quite rare in this world. There is no mass production here. It is a hand-built and beautifully made piece, and one that I hope every owner will be proud. The current design is based on a very old design by somebody called Robert Jupe, who patented his idea in 1835. And I was asked to make a copy of his table, to which I immediately replied it was far too difficult, but I was forced into it, and eventually I did do it. But then, having done that, I realized that there could be a better way to do it. A table like this has about 962 components and something like 3,756 fastenings. It's quite amazing, the amount of stuff that's in there. In the middle of this table is a big 12-pointed star, which Robert Jupe didn't have, and that is really the major difference between the two. And it allows for much smaller leaves, and therefore leaves that will actually fit inside the circumference or the diameter of a smaller table. All right, next one. The components for the top leaves look like wood. Indeed, they are wood on the outside, but on the inside they're something entirely different. They are made out of aluminium honeycomb, which is skinned either in aluminium or fiberglass. This is overlaid with aeroply and then a veneer. Any sort of veneer can be used, it depends on what a client wants. The stainless steel bits, which are silvery, for example this and the plate underneath, those are all laser cut and then various machine things done to them later. These bits here are machined out of solid aluminium, then they're later hard anodized. There are some runners here which are commercially available, but of course they have to be cut to the right size. Every other bit that you can see, just about every other bit, is absolutely special and designed and made only for this table. Another thing about this table is that it has 6 segments instead of 8, but also it has a skirt around it, making it round, so it is always round.
I've been concentrating on tables and I just love making them. Putting them together is an absolute joy. Yeah, every single table I install myself, yes. Well, the components are made in various different places. All sorts of other disciplines are used, and then of course the woodworking too. Quite a lot of them have been made for boats, as this one has been, of course, but also some have been made for houses. This is now a standardized design. This is one of the last tables to be made, and it's a beautiful piece of equipment.